Hello, in this video I shall be discussing the location of Uganda. So Uganda is a country in Africa. So we'll see some facts about Uganda. And Uganda is derived from, the name is derived from Buganda Kingdom. So Buganda Kingdom used to be ruling or used to be in places of South Africa. So this kingdom gave the name this place as Uganda, and that became a country. And the capital of Uganda is Kampala, and Uganda got its independence in the year 1962 from the British. And Uganda is an important place as it has got rich resources of minerals, crude oil and natural gas. And to see the location or the placement of Uganda, it is totally landlocked with countries only around it with no ocean or sea boundaries. And Uganda is exactly located in East Central Africa, and equator passes through Uganda. As we have seen, equator passes through Kenya in our previous video. So through this Uganda also equator passes through it. And the boundaries or bordering countries of Uganda are South Sudan, Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda and Democratic Republic of the Congo. So these countries are bordering Uganda. As I've told, this is totally landlocked, and we'll see their location also. And Uganda has got 4 very important lakes. So these lakes are not just important in Uganda but to the whole of Africa. These 4 important lakes are there. So they are Lake Victoria, Lake Kyoga, Lake Albert and Lake Edward. So we'll see these lakes location around in and around or bordering Uganda. So we'll have a rough mapping and the location of Uganda first. So if this is the Horn of Africa, if you see the continent of Africa, if this is the Horn of Africa and this is the southern part of Africa, Uganda is located somewhere around this area. So we'll see about that now. So to give rough bordering to Uganda, it somewhat looks like this. So this is Uganda, and this has got the bordering countries of it, or we'll see the bordering countries. South Sudan to its north. So Uganda has got South Sudan to its north, and it has got Kenya to its east. So here there is Kenya. So all of east of Uganda is occupied by Kenya. Kenya is a huge country, and here we have this border of Africa. So here we have Indian Ocean. So Kenya, South Sudan and the other countries are Tanzania and Rwanda. So here there is Tanzania, and here there is a small country, that is Rwanda. So Rwanda and Tanzania, both of them are located south to Uganda. And on the west there is a huge country, that is Democratic Republic of Congo. So all this area whichever is on west, it is totally Democratic Republic of Congo. So these are the bordering countries: South Sudan on the north, Kenya on the east, Tanzania, Rwanda on the south and Democratic Republic of Congo on the west. So next we'll see these lakes: Lake Victoria, Kyoga, Albert and Edward. So Lake Victoria is present exactly passing through Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania. This interjunction, this area where this Kenya and Uganda and Tanzania are present, here is Lake Victoria. So Lake Victoria, you can also say it is also present in Uganda, and while speaking about Tanzania also you can say there is Lake Victoria, and while speaking about Kenya also you can say there is Lake Victoria. So Lake Victoria is present in between Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania. This is very important lake as this is the largest in all of Africa and second largest in the world. So Lake Victoria, Uganda, Kenya and Tanzania. It is present at the interjunction of these 3 countries. And next, Lake Kyoga. Lake Kyoga is somewhere present totally inside Uganda. So you can say this is in central part of Uganda. So here is Lake Kyoga. So Lake Kyoga is also one of the important lakes of Africa. And next we have Lake Albert and Lake Edward. So these 2 lakes are at the junction of Democratic Republic of Congo and Uganda. This is Lake Albert. So little south to it is Lake Edward. So here is Lake Edward. So Lake Albert and Lake Edward, both of them are occupied or passing through, or they're present between Congo and Uganda. So you can also say Democratic Republic of Congo has Lake Albert, and the Democratic Republic of Congo also has got Lake Edward, and these two lakes can also be told they are present in Uganda. So these are bordering lakes. So if it is asked that what are the bordering lakes present on the borders of Uganda, you can say Lake Albert and Lake Edward and Lake Victoria. And what lake is totally confined to Uganda is Lake Kyoga. So these are the important 4 lakes and these 5 countries surrounding Uganda. So this is Indian Ocean. So Uganda is present east to Central Africa. So this is East Central Africa. So this is all about Uganda, and we have also equator passing through it finally. So equator passes through Democratic Republic of Congo and then Uganda and then Kenya. So this is how equator passes through Uganda. So this is all about a brief mapping of how Uganda is present and its location, and thank you.